Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory that often gets overlooked, but is absolutely essential for seamless connectivity: the Dysead USB cable PC laptop data sync cord. This particular cable is specifically highlighted for its compatibility with the 651C002 image formula DR-C240 document scanner, making it a perfect match for anyone relying on that specific piece of office equipment for their daily scanning needs. But its utility doesn't stop there. While it's a stellar companion for the DR-C240, this Dysead USB cable is designed to be a versatile workhorse for a wide array of devices. Think about your everyday setup: computers, laptops, monitors, printers, and various home or office appliances that require a reliable USB connection for data transfer or power. This cable steps up to the plate, promising consistent performance across the board. What truly sets this Dysead cable apart, and what should give any user immense peace of mind, is its unwavering commitment to quality and safety. It proudly boasts international quality certification, a testament to its adherence to the highest industry standards. This isn't just a claim, it's backed by rigorous testing and compliance. When it comes to protecting your valuable devices, this cable doesn't cut corners. It incorporates numerous safety mechanisms designed to safeguard against common electrical mishaps. We're talking about robust protection against short-circuiting, which can be a real headache, as well as safeguards against overvoltage and overcurrent. These features are critical for maintaining the longevity and health of your connected electronics. Furthermore, it includes internal overheating protection, ensuring that the cable itself operates safely even under sustained use. This comprehensive suite of safety features means you can connect your devices with confidence, knowing they are well protected. The Dysead brand has clearly focused on delivering a product that isn't just functional, but also exceptionally reliable and safe. When you unbox this, you're getting one pack of a high-quality USB data cable, built to last and perform consistently. For anyone needing a dependable data sync solution, especially for their image formula DR-C240 scanner, or simply a robust USB cable for general use, this offering from Dysead presents itself as a very strong contender. Its blend of specific compatibility, broad utility, and top-tier safety features makes it a smart choice for both professional and home environments. It's the kind of accessory that quietly does its job, allowing you to focus on your tasks without worrying about connectivity issues or potential damage to your devices.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.